Hey, it's Joey, and I am at the infamous 5460 White Oak Avenue complex to showcase my newest listing, Unit D205. But before I get to that, I want to highlight all the amazing amenities that this building has. Let's go. This building was built in 1971. It has over 200 units in the building, starting with the letter A, going all the way to the letter K. No H and I though, sorry about that. One thing I noticed right away is all the lush landscaping. They really do a great job of maintaining the entire complex. So it's nice, peaceful, tranquil. Now this is great because we're getting to the summertime now, summertime months, and Encino means hot, hot, hot weather. And what do you want to do in hot weather? Take a dip in the pool. Well, guess what? This complex has an amazing pool. Check it out. Let's go check out the exercise room for all of you fitness fanatics. This one's open. As you can see, there's a nice variety of equipment here. You can come on in here, work on your dad bods, your mom bods, whatever kind of bod you got going on, they got you covered here. That's nice.
Yeah, work on that dad bod, Joey.
No more dad bod for me. Here's another amenity that I really enjoy, the sun deck. It's great. It's on the roof of the exercise room. You can come here, bring lunch, picnic, do work if you work remotely. Now I'm going to take you to the back side of the complex where actually my unit D205 is. Let's go check it out. This complex is very pet friendly, so you're going to see people walking their dogs along this pathway all the time. People love their dogs here, so it's really great if you have a dog, if you don't have a dog, if you look like a dog, this place is for you. Now this is building D. It's located all the way in the back of the building. This is where the unit is, but before I take you inside, I want to show you where the parking is for this unit, which is actually better than what everybody else has in the main parking area. Unit D205 has 2 tandem parking spaces, 281 and 282. Here we are, we made it, Unit D205. Just give me 1 second, I'm gonna do what realtors do, which is turn on lights. You know, that's all we do, right? Yeah, there you are, thought you got lost. Come on in, it's Unit D205. You are gonna love this. Just under 1,000 square foot condo. And the thing that I really love about it is that each bedroom has its own wing. So you can socialize here in this big living room area, but then you can be by yourselves in each of your bedrooms. Or one person could live here and you can have an office space or a yoga room if you like to do yoga. Or this is great for a family, for a starter place. If you're looking to buy your first property, this could be it. Or maybe if you're a savvy investor and you're looking to have an income property, you can probably pull in $2,600 to $2,800 a month in rent for this unit. Let's go check out the bedrooms. Each has its own well-defined space. This one has a walk-in closet, so this will be the primary bedroom. And they each have their own bathroom. Because who likes sharing a bathroom? I don't. Bed and bath number 2. 2 closets, so there's enough room for all of your stuff. Linen closets, and your own bathroom. And last but certainly not least, the dining room and kitchen area. Spacious kitchen, enough to do your cooking, do all of your meal prep, whatever you like to do in a kitchen. This kitchen is a good size to do it. And these are great granite countertops. These will last a lifetime, and you can easily do some upgrades if you wanted to, like repaint the cabinets to give it a fresh new look and make it more modern and updated. That can be an easy fix. So there you have it, 5460 White Oak Avenue. It's got amenities galore, it's got affordability, and it's got a unit D205 that is waiting to be yours. Thank you, I'm Joey Rockenstein with Coldwell Banker Realty. I'll see you next time.